The Ministry of Finance said Wednesday that it plans to soon issue US dollar-denominated bonds in Hong Kong. Mizuho Securities Asia economist said the issuance marks the first time the Ministry of Finance offers dollar sovereign bonds in Hong Kong, and that will offer a pricing benchmark for mainland businesses' bond sales overseas. Shows the country's support for Hong Kong's financial markets as well. The Shanghai Commercial Bank said the issuance may be a response to international rating agencies lowering their ratings for China.